It's that time of the year again. Black Friday is just around the corner and many of us have been, well, more or less patiently waiting for the best deals of the year. Let's have a look at the best deals for us underwater image makers in this year's Black Friday sale, right after the intro. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's great to have you with me for today's Black Friday week video. I have looked into a lot of the current deals that are on offer for Black Friday, and I've picked my 5 favorite deals that I find exceptional and that are offering some real value for your money. Here they come. My very own online classes and digital products are discounted 40% for this Black Friday period. This means that you can sign up now for my best-selling online course Learn to Film Underwater for only €59 instead of the regular €99, which will give you a lifelong access to the course. The same goes for my latest course, the official Dive Fog course, Mastering Your Dive Fog C-Touch for Max. My various LUT packs, for example for GoPro, iPhone or Paralens Vaquita underwater footage, are all available at 17 instead of €29 during this period. The sale runs from today, November 20th, all the way through to Cyber Monday, which is November 27th. Please use the link down in the video description below to access my webshop, and don't forget to enter the code BF23 at checkout to claim your discount. The good folks at Dive Fog have wrapped up 6 amazing package deals for you this Black Friday with savings of up to 20%. From just a C-Touch 4Max smartphone housing, a water sports kit, their most popular ocean kit, to the mighty dual light kit, there is something for everyone. If you know me, you know that I'm convinced the Dive Fog system is by far the best and most versatile option to take your smartphone into and underwater. And this Black Friday you have the chance to get your hands on some Dive Fog gear at the best possible prices. And on top of getting up to 20% on these selected packages, by using the code Matthias Lebo at checkout, you can secure yourself an extra 6%, which will give you a total saving of up to 26%. That's pretty crazy, don't you think? Backscatter has announced some really good deals on their macro-wide 4300 underwater video lights. I like these lights a lot for their versatility and their ease of use. Depending on whether you just go for the light itself or the whole shenanigans with optical snoot, color filters and so on, you can save between 23 and 29%. Use the link down in the video description below to check out those and other deals that Backscatter has on offer during this year's Black Friday sale. Mosaic Underwater Cameras is not staying behind this Black Friday, offering, among other things, 20% and more on a large variety of Big Blue underwater video lights. Big Blue is known for their good value for money, which can get even better when using Mosaic's current sale to upgrade your underwater video lights. Check out all of Mosaic Underwater Cameras offers this Black Friday through the link down in the video description below. And last but not least, I want to mention a non-profit organization that does incredible things for our world's oceans. I'm talking about 4Oceans, an organization that collects millions of pounds of trash from the world's oceans, rivers and coastlines every year. They make great looking bracelets from the materials that they find and sell it online to finance the organization. What a great idea. I have recently gotten 2 bracelets myself. They don't just look great, but also show that you are caring about our oceans and are committed to protecting them. I highly recommend that you use their current holiday clearance to get yourself some of these really cool looking pieces. They're discounted at more than 50%, and by the way, they make for some great Christmas presents for your loved ones. There you have it, guys. Those are my personal recommendations this Black Friday for all of us underwater image makers. All the deals talked about in this video will be linked down in the video description below. And don't forget to use the appropriate coupon codes where applicable. Let me know down in the comment section below what you are getting for yourself or your favorite dive buddy this Black Friday, and don't forget to keep capturing all those amazing underwater adventures of yours. Have a great week, guys, and I will see you in the next video.